Okay, parametric equations video part 8. Uh, if you go to previous video 7, you notice that the number 2 we solved there is exactly similar to this video, to this number I mean, because x in the previous video were t square minus p, where p is a non-negative number, and y equal t cubed, the same. So taking p0 here, we'll solve this problem. We'll sketch this problem. So sketching this problem is exactly as we did sketch the problem in the parametric equations in the previous video. But instead of taking p as previous video here, because minus p is a negative number somewhere here, we take p as 0 and we draw. This is the part of the curve, and this is the other part of the curve. And the x-axis is tangent to these two parts here. All right, this is the part A. Part B of number 3. Part B of number 3, he said there is a point A, 48, point A, 48. We need to prove that this will be the equation of the normal at this point. Okay, we have to find y prime. Y prime, we should have x dot and y dot. X dot is 2t, y dot is 3t squared. This means y prime, the slope of the tangent, is the y over the x, which is equal to y dot over x dot, and the answer will be 3t squared over 2t, so it is 3 over 2t. Okay, taking x equal 4, which is t squared equal 4, because x is t squared, and y equals 8 of a, this means t cubed equal 8. That gives me directly that t is equal to 2. Now taking in the derivative t equal 2, substitute instead of t 2, the derivative, which is the slope of the tangent at point 48, will be equal to 3. Now, what is the slope of the normal? Of the normal at this point, A, 48. Slope of the normal is minus 1 divided by the slope of the tangent. And what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal at point A is y minus ya, which is 8, equals slope into x minus xa, which is 4. Y minus 8 equal negative. Okay, let us multiply both sides directly by 3 to get rid of this 3. So 3y minus 24 will be equal to negative 1 into x minus 4. This means negative x plus 4. Taking them all to the same side, minus x goes x, plus 3y we leave it. Negative 24 and negative 4 will be negative 28 equals 0. And we did find the equation of the normal, which is x plus 3y minus 28 equals 0. Number 4. Number 4, let me erase everything here, and we go to number 4. Number 4, also we can solve it fast. In this video, we don't need any other video. We have the parametric equations, which x equal 3 t cubed and y equal 3t squared, where t is greater or equal to 0. So the domain is already given in this number, right? The domain is already given, which is positive or equal 0. So domain t belongs to which interval from 0 exactly to plus infinity, right? Find dy over dx in terms of t. We need to find x dot, which is equal to 3t squared. We need to find y dot, which is equal to 6t. So what is y prime, which is the dy over dx in terms of t? dy is 6t. Dx is 3t squared, because it's not dy dx, it's y dot over x dot. So the answer will be equal, right? 2 over t after simplification. 2 over t is the value of dy over dx in terms of t. Part B, show that the tangent to the curve C at P is parallel to the tangent to the line OQ. What are P and Q? The points he gave me, the points P and Q on curve C, which has parametric equations, this and this, and P is where t equal 2 and Q is where t equal 3. All right, so what are the coordinates of point Q? Coordinates of point Q are substituting instead of x 2 t power 3, right? The coordinates of point Q, Q, we have t equal 3, not 2. Substituting instead of t equal 3 instead of x, 3 power 3 will be 27. And for y, it's a 3t square. 3 times 3 power 2, it's also 27. It gives me the point Q. Now, what is the point P? Substituting 2, right? 2 cube is 8, 3t squared is 12. This is P. What is the slope of the tangent to C at P? dy dx is equal to 2 over t. But he wants it at t equal to, because at P we have t equal to. So we substitute instead of t 2, the slope will be equal to 1, right? And what is the slope of the line OQ? The line OQ has a slope, right? Slope of the line OQ is y of Q minus y of the origin over x of Q minus x of the origin. So it's 27 divided by 27. Also, it has 1 as slope. And we all know what we will have if we have equal slopes. Thus, the tangent to C at P, this means the tangent of curve C at point P is parallel to the straight line OQ. This is the last number, and see you in other videos.